Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a very simple green peas recipe along with tomato, that is Matar and Tamatar recipe. So the ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are, I have taken 300 grams of fresh green peas. I have washed them nicely. Here I have taken 4 tomatoes and I have roughly chopped them. 2 medium-sized onion chopped, little bit of fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, I have sliced them. This is chopped ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic chopped. Salt as per our taste. Here I am using Kashmiri red chili powder, friends, for the color. If you want it to be spicy, you can obviously increase this green chilies in it. And I'm going to prepare my recipe in mustard oil. So now let's get started. Here I am heating 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and now when our oil is heated, I will add the chopped ginger and garlic. This will give a lovely aroma to this recipe. Now I will add the chopped onion. I will saute this for a minute so that the rawness of the onion disappears. After sauteing it for a minute, I am going to add the tomatoes. Just mix it, and then I'll add the green peas. We'll add salt as per our taste. After adding the salt, I will cover this and cook for 5 minutes over high flame so that the tomatoes get cooked properly and the water from the tomato will come out and the peas will also get cooked in it. Now I will open the lid. So here, friends, as you can see, tomatoes are almost half cooked. Now we are going to add the green chilies, the Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon. We have already added the salt earlier. Now we will put the flame into medium. And now we will saute this till the tomatoes are completely cooked. So friends, here is our green peas and tomato recipe ready. I will add the coriander leaves now, fresh coriander leaves. After adding the coriander leaves, we will cook for another 30 seconds. And now it is ready, as you can see. So we will put off the flame. And now transfer this to the serving bowl. So here is our yummy green peas and tomato recipe ready. Very simple, very easy, and you can savor this with warm rotis or puris. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.